Welcome everybody for another great episode of Crypto Charisma, and right now we're going to talk about what's going on in the current market space, and a lot of interesting going on. Okay, a lot of money to be made as well also. So here we go. Let's go back to BTC. So most gains belong to Iconomi in the last 24 hours, 44.4% increase and 30.16% decrease in Nexus. Okay, so that's in the last 24 hours as well. And as you can see here with Iconomi, very interesting pump. I don't know what's linked to its pump at the moment, but I think it's, just people want to trade and make some good money. So people that invested in Iconomi, I suppose this is a great way to trade now and accumulate more and increase your position as well. And this is not a financial advice. Anyway, moving on to some article. 16 government approved crypto exchanges forming self-regulatory body in Japan. As you can see from the recent hack, they have increased their security. So FSA, which is Japanese Financial Services Agency, started scrutinizing all exchanges operating in the country. The agency also urges industry players to adopt self-regulatory standards. Alright, I'll leave the link below for you guys to read. This article is by Forbes, and in the headline says 2 bullish signs for Bitcoin, and it also talks about one of them is that Bitcoin is beginning to behave like the new gold, shining in times of extreme uncertainty that take over Wall Street. Okay, so the new generation, the millennials, are investing to cryptocurrency because this is a new thing, new technology. If I were to bring back the past, and when the internet boom came, I would have invested into it. Now this is another opportunity for the newcomers and millennials to repeat the history and hopefully grow your wealth in the long run. Okay, and Business Insider from Australia report says that Australia's tax office will chase down Bitcoin investors. If you are one of the Bitcoin investors and trading in a daily basis and treating it as a job, you guys make sure that record your trading and the currency at a time. It will take a while to do that. If you're waiting for the financial year to end, rather do it now as you go to make it easier for you and a tax person. And this is not a financial advice, guys. Do your own research as well, and this is what I know. So always record your tradings if you are doing that as well. Moving on, we got Charlie Lee made his tweet about Nano. So he's becoming more transparent. He's always talk about Litecoin, how great it is, and now he pays respect to Nano, and a lot of them are still under speculation. But if you do your own research, you might have to look into Nano as well and see if you like it and the vision of the team, the vision of the cryptocurrency itself. So yeah, that's just another point that I like to put out, that Charlie Lee is one of the influential as well in crypto space, and any tweets people will follow. Okay, moving on, we got 1,200 Australian new agencies are selling fractions of crypto. This is great for Australian businesses embracing cryptocurrencies and accepting it as a payment. The downtrend selling from newspapers and magazines. Now news agencies are applying cryptocurrencies as a payment to go with a trend and increase their demand. News agents are using the idea to help declining interest in newspaper and magazines. Australians can now buy cryptocurrencies with 1,200 news agencies, so that's pretty great on Australia businesses. Now we got TradingView in a 1-day chart in Bitcoin, and as you can see here, in the last few days we still have a healthy bias, bullish about Bitcoin, and let's see how it play out, guys. Keep an eye on it, and the weekend's coming over, so let's see if they're gonna sell it off or whatnot. And this is Iconomi, guys, and as you can see in the chart here against BTC, it's overbought with a wick at the moment at this time in the 4-hour chart. But although it's still a great amount of bias in the last 4 hours, and I'm trying to catch it at around this area. Okay, hopefully it makes some retracement soon. And yeah, it's a really high volatility coin. I'm pretty sure it's only 99 million total supply, so just be wary about that too, guys, when you guys trading. And also, last but not the least, I'd like to discuss about this guy. He's a great guy. I watch this guy on a daily basis. I think you guys should too. He's completely honest of what he say, and I take advice from this guy. He's pretty good. And this is Grant Cardone. I suggest that you look him up. And don't forget to follow my page in Instagram, Decentralized Hustle, and like our recent pick. Alrighty, that's it for me, guys. Peace.